So once you start opening the BeLive Studio, then you need to edit destination. For this one, you can see that I have scheduled stream. So it always starts this like this. You need to choose the destination. So if it's not Facebook, then you just change YouTube, offline recording. You can also do a test broadcast. In this case, I'm going to go live on a Facebook group. This is our BeLive team Facebook group. And if I want to schedule it, I just click schedule, choose the date, and then choose the time. Please note that Facebook only allows up to 7 days in advance when you are scheduling. And this is like a basically the icon of the BeLive team. You can also show all my groups if you want to see all of your groups, but usually I don't check that just so that it wouldn't load all of my groups. But of course, I also go live in other groups. So if I want to change BeLivers, then I'll just choose BeLivers. If I want to have an awesome featured image, I just actually schedule the show like this one. So I will put a custom image, and then of course I will put the stream title. This is very important. How to use BeLive, and of course the caption or the stream description. On Facebook it will show as a caption, and on YouTube it will show as a video description under the video. So once you're ready to go, just hit save. Let's see. Yeah, join us on how to use BeLive. If you want to reset everything and you're not happy because you made a mistake or you change your mind, you can reset it, and then it will clear everything so you can start again. Or if you're happy with everything, you can save it. Once you're scheduled a live broadcast, then you can go to the studio, choose your scheduled stream, then it will open. Now you can create your branding and prepare everything. So we have an overlay here, and right now it's Valentine's Day, so you can choose Valentine's Day. There is basically a preloaded template. You can use this at any time, or you can upload your own. So I have my own logo here. Basically, just click on add overlay, and then you are good to go. So theme is basically we have the modern and the classic. It's definitely up to you. I like the modern theme. And logo. So you can choose your logo. This is mine. Um, and then a background. So overlay, you have the theme, you have the logo, background, and of course, you will have your so you can put your special colors here. If you already have the hex for your branding, just put it here. But basically, once you are done, you just apply everything. All right, so I wanted to show you first before we do. So if you're brand new and you're doing a new list, just create here. Let's say you are creating a show about essential oils. Um, yeah, like what are the types of essential oils? So you will show this when you are answering this question, and you can put notes here what you want to highlight. So I'm not a totally I don't know a lot about essential oils. I just see it a lot when people, my friends, share them on my newsfeed. So, all right. So once I'm ready, I'm going to show that. So basically, I can prepare everything ahead of time, and you can also do it like this. So if you have a larger computer screen, you will be able to see it like this. So you can delete it later if you're like feeling like the things here are kind of overcrowding and you just want to focus. Because for me, I like to uh, delete stuff. So just so I'm not overwhelmed. And you can create different lists for different types of show. If you're just using one, then that's totally okay. And just hide everything if you're ready to if you're moving to the next topic or you show the next topic. So burst media. So the cool thing about BeLive is that you can just put a YouTube link and you can play it in your stream. You can also upload your own videos, your own photos so you can see it, or you can upload photos from Facebook. So if you already have them there, then all you have to do is click them and it will load in the studio. We also, this is my favorite feature. It's a live sales. Basically, you are creating a catalog of your products inside the stream so that you'll be able to share it. These are my affiliate products. So I like to do live sales and bring people to buy the items using my link. And the best thing is that you can send the link to the comments while the item is on screen. So it works on Facebook page. A widget section where you can add little things, which is my favorite as well. Snowfall. I think the team put this as my request because I was telling them during the holiday to put like a snowfall. Sticky notes, countdown. You can do this as the start of the show, and of course, we added this fun things during the quarantine. So if you're quarantined and you want to do live stream, it's like totally cool thing to do that. So of course we already discussed branding. So there's so many things that you want to do, but of course you can just stay with the basics and have fun. And you can go and add more stuff in your stream as you go along. So yeah, just go ahead and try it and you'll have fun.